question. Of course, if you have the worksheet, you have to check your answers. If you don't have it, we have maybe we have 2 pages in your science book. So open your science book. I'll tell you the page number, just 1 second. Open your science book to page 56. You will find this in your book. What is the answer here?
I made it.
I solved it. Okay, fine. Here we have some words. We have the words and, long.
Miss, I know it.
Okay, now let's stay muted, please. We have the words and, long, stretches out, frog, a, tongue, it's, an insect, for food, catches. So what should we do here? We should form a sentence that describes how frogs find their food using the words from the box. I'm going to start with Jude Juni. Jude Juni, just read the sentence and explain.
Yeah. A frog stretches out its long tongue and catches an insect for food.
Does the frog no, they eat only birds, only insects, or what frogs eat exactly? Can you tell us?
Frogs eat insects.
Okay.
And frogs eat insect,
Bird.
grass,
And they eat birds.
and bird and frogs.
And small frogs. Bravo. So they eat small frogs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, done with this exercise, everyone. If you're not done, please let me know. A frog stretches out its long tongue and catches an insect.
Teacher, this is in the
Yes, it's in the science
book.
Yes, it's in the science book.
Which page?
Which
page?
56 or 57, Aline?
What? I didn't hear you.
It's page 56 or 57, okay. I think. Who solved it in the science book?
Me.
What is the page?
Me. Page 57.
57.
Page 57.
In the school application, okay? You can find the worksheet solution. Now,
I solved it in the worksheet.
Okay, fine. You can in the worksheet or in the book, both. Now here we have some words. We have moist skin, big eyes, webbed feet, tongue, front legs, hands. Hands means back, okay? Hind legs or back legs. I'm going to start with Jude Fawaz. What is this, Jude? Ibrahim Zalgout.
Yes.
What is this? What do you see here? What should I write?
Tongue.
Long tongue or tongue. Bravo. Ali Jafar. What can you see here? What should I write here?
Where?
Here.
Tongue. Big eyes.
Big eyes. Bravo, Ali Jafar. Alice, what should I write here?
Where?
Here.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Jude Fawaz, you will be next. Alice? Alice here. What is this? Webbed feet?
No.
Moist skin?
Yeah.
Okay. Jude Fawaz, what should I write here?
Yes.
Where? Here?
Here.
Here we should write back legs.
Bravo. Hand, back, legs. Eva. Eva, can you hear me?
Yes.
What should I write here, Eva? Front legs?
Yes, front legs.
Okay. Lamar, what should I write here?
Yes.
What should I write here, Lamar?
With legs.
Web. So take a look. I'm going to write the answers now. Here we have the tongue, big eyes, moist skin, front leg or legs, and webbed feet. And we have the hind or back legs. I'm going to review something. As we all know, frogs live near ponds. Why? So that their skin stays wet. They have a moist skin covering their body. They don't have scales, okay? Frogs have 4 legs that help them hop. They have their webbed feet to help them swim in water. So their webbed feet help them swim in water. Now, here, Huda, number 1.
Teacher.
Choose the correct answer.
Yes. Yes.
Wait, let me listen to Ali. Ali, what?
I know this. When the frog don't goes to the water,
Yes.
it dies.
It dies.
If the moist skin stays not wet, it dies.
Bravo. If its skin dries, it dies. Correct, Ali. Huda, go ahead. Thank you.
Frogs use their to catch insects. Her mouth.
Mouth
Tongue.
or tongues?
Tongue.
Tongues. Okay, this page is not in your science book, okay? It's only in the worksheet. Hussein Khalifa, number 2.
Okay.
Yes.
Read number 2.
As adults,
As adults.
frogs breathe
With gills?
yes.
No, only fish breathe with gills. Frogs breathe with lungs. Okay?
Okay.
The fish breathes with gills, using their gills, but frogs, they have lungs.
Okay.
Nurhan, number 3. Nurhan. Where does a baby frog live? Who's gonna tell me? Kareem. Where does a baby frog live?
The baby frog lives in the water.
Lives in the water. Excellent. A baby frog lives in water. An adult frog lives in water and on land. Now, when we're done, we are done with the worksheet. I want to ask some questions. Fatima, you can't press the unmute button, so I think you have to sign out and sign in back. Lean Sufan, I have a question. Can you give me one difference between the fish and the frog?
The frog has breathes with its lungs like fish breathes with its gills.
Excellent. Ali Aysam Bazoon, another difference between the fish and the frog?
The fish swims and the frog hops.
Excellent. Iba, another difference between the fish and the frog.
The fish move with its tail and the frog jumps.
And the frog. Excellent. Brahim, another difference between the fish and the frog.
What?
Another difference between the fish and the frog.
The fish is moist skin.
The fish has moist skin or the frog, Brahim?
The frog.
Okay. And the fish skin is covered with?
Scales.
Scales. Excellent, Brahim. Jude Fawaz, where do frogs live?
Frogs live in land and water.
On land and in water. Nurhan, can you hear me now? Bravo, Jude.
Yes, I can hear you.
Where can frogs be found in winter when it's too cold? Who can help?
Me.
I can.
Ranim.
Okay.
In the pond.
Miss.
At the bottom. In the pond at the bottom. Okay. In the mud.
Yes, I think. That's
Ranim, since you didn't answer, what helps a frog jump off your hand when you try to catch it?
It's moist skin.
It's moist skin. Aline, where does a baby frog lay its eggs? I didn't hear you, Aline.
In the water.
In the water. Thank you. Lin Salman.
in the water.
Where does a baby frog live?
A baby frog lives in water.
Bravo. Baby frogs live only in water. Baby frogs live in water. Muhammad Khalifa.
Yes,
Where
miss.
does an adult frog live?
Where?
Where does an adult frog live?
In water and in land.
In water and on land.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Kareem.
Yes.
Their webbed feet, the frogs' webbed feet help them to what?
Help them to swim.
Okay, and their four legs help them
Walk.
walk. I'm going to ask Ali Jafar. The frog uses its tongue to what?
To eat.
To catch?
To catch
a bird or okay, bravo. So to eat. Excellent, Ali Jafar. Now I want someone to ask a question related to frog. Maybe Jude, can you ask a question to Ranim related to frogs?
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Jude.
Now we have to check.
المس.
What?
Jude, can you hear me? Okay. Aline, can you ask a question to
Wait, I think it was lagging. Yes.
Yes, I think that Jude's internet is bad.
Okay.
Aline, ask Ranim a question related to frogs.
Okay. What? Okay. What? And adult frog breathe with what?
Okay, frogs breathe with?
With their lungs.
Okay, bravo. Now I want Ali, Aysam, Bazoon to ask Karim a question. Ali, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you ask a question to Karim?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yes. What?
What? Okay, Karim, can you ask Ali a question about frogs?
Yes.
Go ahead.
What do the little frogs live? In the water or on land? What?
Where does the baby frog live? This is what Karim asked.
On water.
In water. Bravo. Huda, what for? Can you ask Leen Salman a question? Thank you. Huda, ask Leen Salman.
Yes. When the frog found in water in winter.
Bravo. Where can frogs be found in winter? Leen, Huda asked you, where can frogs be found in winter?
Okay. Frogs can be found in winter down the mud.
Bravo. In the bottom, in the
Of
mud at the bottom of a pond. Now, Jude Juni is going to ask Leen Sufan a question.
What do frogs use to breathe with?
Leen Sufan, did you see the question?
What?
Jude, repeat.
What do the frogs use to breathe with?
Lungs. Excellent, Leen Sufan. Now, Jude Fawaz is going to ask Iba a question.
Okay. How do the fish breathe in water? I mean the frog.
Okay. Or you can ask what is the difference between the fish and the frog? Iba,
No, I meant
frog.
how does the frog breathe in water?
How does the frog breathe? Iba, the frog breathe using?
In water.
Iba,
Yes.
they use their gills? Or they use lungs?
No.
Or they use their mouth? Tabjud Fawaz, answer.
Miss, I know. They use their lungs.
They use their lungs. Okay. Now
In water they use their moist skin.
okay. So they have moist skin, but they breathe using their lungs. They have lungs to breathe. They don't have gills, but they need their moist skin. If their skin dries, what happens? They die.
Yes, they need their moist skin to breathe underwater.
That's why they need their moist skin. Okay, Jude.
Something?
Yes, of course you can.
Why do you ask them but you don't ask yourself?
How?
Why don't you voice Miss Hiba with someone else?
Okay.
That's
Ranim, you can ask me a question.
Does the frog have legs?
I didn't
How many
hear
legs
you.
does the frog have?
Wait. Repeat.
How many legs does the frog have?
4, 2 front and 2 hind legs. Correct or no?
Yes.
Okay, now who's going to ask a question? Maybe Hussein will ask Ibrahim. Hussein Khalifa. Hussein Khalifa, can you ask Ibrahim a question?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Can you ask Ibrahim a question related to frogs?
How frogs breathe? Breathe.
Miss, how does that frog breathe?
Yes. Using their what? Using their gills?
Miss,
Okay, fine. Now we are done with this lesson.
Miss,
Yes, miss. Tell me, Ali.
the frog has like real person.
What?
The frog has lungs like real persons.
Yes. They use their lungs. Okay, now we know that a frog stretches out its long tongue and catches an insect for food. We know how to label the body parts of a frog. Wait, this is the frog. Yes, Brahim.
I have a bird, but I don't know what his name. He lay eggs and he crashed.
I didn't get you, Brahim. Just wait. This is the moist skin of a frog, and the frog lives near ponds because their skin should stay wet. If their skin dries, they die. Here we have the front legs, the back legs, and the webbed feet. They use their webbed feet to swim. Now here, frogs use their tongues to catch insects.
Frog use their tongue to catch insects. An adult frog can breathe.
Okay. With lungs. Where does a baby frog live? A baby frog lives in water. Now, any questions?